So we're gonna do an example at $1 million. We're gonna call this buy now, right? So let's say your price is $1 million. Okay, so we got $1 million. $1 million is our price. We're talking about buying right now. And buying now, and we're gonna put common down payment 20%. So 20% on $1 million, 200 grand, okay? And jumbo rate, as of today, as I record this here in June of 22, fine print, micro machines, fast voices, all that stuff, disclaimers, about 5%. So let's say 5%. And then we've got taxes and insurance, really principal, interest, taxes and insurance, PITI payment on that 5%. You're gonna be looking at about $5,500. So that's $5,500 a month, okay? Let's talk about cash out of pocket. So we talked about down payment, 200 grand, closing costs, taxes, insurance, all that stuff's gonna be a little over 10. So let's call it total out of pocket to close, 210 grand. So again, we got a price of $1 million, down payment 20%, 5% interest rate, payment $5,500, cash at closing, 210,000, okay? That's buying now.